What up, guys? About to go to the backyard, smoke a blunt, look at the ocean view. Just gonna relax, be blessed. All right, we're gonna walk the trail right here. I'm about to show y'all. All right, y'all, check it out. It's a pretty sweet backyard, I ain't gonna lie. People out there jet skiing. What?